Anna Christina. This is 2-Minute Resilience, and I am sharing tools of hope with the Resilience Builders, where we get instant resets, simple rebuilds, and an unexpected refreshing. I wanted to share a quick tool that's tied to grounding. I just did an episode on grounding and asking radically resilient questions. And now what we want to do is we want to tie in different ways to get that instant reset, to get grounded. One of my most favorite ways to get grounded is to imagine something that I'm looking at that gives me great joy. So for example, I want you to think of something that you can see, that you can watch, that you have watched, that gives you great joy. For example, I'm just going to, let's think about, I love water, okay? So even behind me, I don't know exactly what you can see, but even behind me, I have a fountain. I love water. I love getting grounded and centered with water. So that might mean taking a bath. That might mean taking a shower. That might mean turning on the fountain that's right behind me, which I don't turn on during recordings because it's too loud. When the weather's good, I ride up into the mountains and I end up by a stream, by a lake, by a pond. I love the water. When I'm traveling, I go to the ocean and I just stand in the waves. Okay, that being the case, let's envision, in my case, let's envision the waves coming in at the ocean, okay? Let's just envision the waves coming in at the ocean. That's something that gives me great joy. That's something that grounds me. That's something that gives me peace. That's something that allows me to feel the power of nature and creation, okay? So even as we just take that moment to imagine looking at something that gives us great joy, you can feel the shift, can't you? Within a few seconds, when you intentionally imagine seeing something that gives you great joy, it helps you to ground in the moment. So before you get into the situation, wise people practice before they get into the situation. So whether it's before the situation you remember to practice, or whether you're in the situation and you remember this tool right now, is to think about something that gives you great joy and imagine seeing it. Just imagine seeing it right now. And it will help you ground instantly. This is Anna Christina sharing 2-Minute Resilience. I share tools of hope with the Resilience Builders. This is an instant reset, isn't it? I'll see you in the next video.